What you need is a pack of shredded mozzarella cheese, pizza base, remember to get a thin crust, tomato puree, 3 mushrooms, and salami. Please watch until the end of the video. I'll have a question for you guys. Let's begin!
我今天要教 Danny 怎么做 pizza， 这是他第一次做 pizza. Is it your first time to make pizza? OK， 所以这个是我们需要的pizza tray， 然后还有锡纸。Try to pick up the aluminum wrap. For me, I prefer to fold this one. Can you take out the pizza base? And put on top. Okay. Then you take out the tomato puree. Okay, give you a spoon. So right now I want to put the tomato puree on top of the pizza. Just maybe 2 to 3 spoons. I think that's enough. Maybe half of it. Use the pen. Can you do more to here?
Not that.
More.
No, it's messy.
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Should be messy.
Too much.
No, that's good. Put the leftover puree. See how fast you can do right now. Finish all the puree, yeah?
This one you put more now. Still have some.
Good. Yeah, put more.
Finish it. Wow.
It's okay. Slice the mushrooms.
Face up or down like this.
How come become like that? Should be same size. It's okay. Do you think it's enough?
Yeah.
This is the mushroom that we got. So this is the oven. You have to move this dot to here. Great. And then this dot to 200. Hit the button. One more. Never mind. Just back to here. We're gonna preheat this one, okay?
12 minutes.
Preheat the oven. No, this is a clock. Just leave it. This is the shredded cheese. Grab some. I usually finish the mozzarella cheese, so put half of the bag on top. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take forever.
There.
No, you have to spread it. No, you have to. Oh no.
What? What?
You have to spread it first.
No, it's really later.
Okay. It should be like here.
First time. Okay, right?
Why do you need to press it?
Even. It's okay?
Yeah. Good.
Alright. There you go.
Great. So this is the result. Not bad. And not bad. Grab the chopsticks. I will usually put one in the middle, and put the rest on the side.
Okay.
This is quite thin, huh? Shall we finish? 现在 is almost done. Up to you. This is supposed to be the mushroom pizza. And this is the salami pizza. Wrong.
Huh?
Wrong.
Second one.
Yeah.
This okay.
Okay, close it. You press this one more time and then time 10 minutes. Okay, that's it. Leave it. My boyfriend did the cooking. I do the cleaning for me.
I'm recording,
But
guys.
he does the washing. Wow. Yum 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 yum.
The things sink in. Okay, let's eat.
Wow, we did it! Good job, Danny. Okay, how is it? How do you think? Is it easy?
Yeah, quite easy to make.
Are you gonna make me pizza in the future?
Yeah.
Okay, he cut this even though it's not even, but he did a great job. Okay, can I try?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take the small piece. We didn't put any salt.
Cheese is salty already.
True.
And the meat also.
I think the meat It's very salty.
I didn't cook that.
Okay, it's good. We're gonna eat right now. Bye guys.
Do you see all the hashtags? Can you guess Danny's horoscope? Please comment down below, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.